ये भी एक और कोई और भाई ठीक है
सामने कैमरा
परफॉर्मेंस लग रहा है
फोनটা একটু নামাও সামনে
क्रैम्प
So, Gurpreet,
Yes, ma'am.
This is a special match for everybody, all of you, especially for Sunil Chittin. You were playing with him for a long time. So, is there any special memory of any special feelings personally for you?
I still think that it's too early. मैंने उनको कन्विंस करने की भी ट्राई की है कि कोई बात नहीं, वीडियो डल गया तो कोई बात नहीं, दोबारा बना सकते हैं नया वीडियो. बट आई थिंक it's a moment that we all should celebrate for such a big character in Indian football. And मैं personally I've been fortunate enough to enjoy majority of my career with him. I can't even remember how many years I've walked behind him for matches, and it's always been an honor. But abhi what we are trying to focus on is the game, and obviously it's an important game, big game, but what is more important is the opposition and how we are going to play and get a result. So more focus is on that, and hopefully we can give a good sending off to our captain.
गुरप्रीत, अफगानिस्तान के खिलाफ उतना भी अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस नहीं रहा है. 6 तारीख को कैप्टन का लास्ट मैच है. अगर आप गोल पोस्ट के नीचे रहते हैं तो आपका मतलब कमिटमेंट क्या होगा, क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
I mean, commitment is always 100%, and obviously there are games जहाँ पे आप अच्छा नहीं करते हैं, और there are games where you do well, so that's how football works. पर जितनी हम लोग मेहनत कर रहे हैं ग्राउंड पे, और जितने टाइम से हम लोग एक साथ हैं अभी, so we are giving our best every day in the training pitch, and hoping for the 6th to be our day, and just focusing on that and keeping the energy very positive no matter what has happened in the past.
पूरी अफगानिस्तान मैच हारने के बाद उस मैच से क्या क्या सीखा आप लोगों ने?
कैसे नहीं हारना है,
मतलब जो मिस्टेक्स जो किया था वो
mistakes happen, and that is something which is very normal in football. और ये सब चीज़ें आपको एक्सपीरियंस ही देती हैं, और आई थिंक दैट वी नीड टू मेक श्योर वी डोंट रिपीट दोज मिस्टेक्स अगेंस्ट अ बेटर ऑपोजिशन. एंड we've had good history against better oppositions for a lot of years now, and we just hope that on that day everyone is ready and everyone is giving their best foot forward, and keeping us in winning ways.
If you compare Kuwait and Afghanistan,
Sorry. One.
Kolkata can play a special role in your match because this is a very crucial match for you. So crowd and all, because the football.
100%, and it is always a bonus to play in a place where passion is so high, and the commitment not only from the players but ground के बाहर भी जो commitment आपको देखने को मिलती है, it is very helpful, and I have no doubts about it that people will show up in the stadium and help us get those 3 points that we need.
गुरप्रीत, आप 12-13 साल से आप बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, इससे ज़्यादा भी खेल रहे हैं, लेकिन रिसेंट टाइम की बात अगर किया जाए, इज देयर एनी प्रॉब्लम विथ योर रिफ्लेक्स?
आप बताइए, मुझे तो लग नहीं रहा कुछ.
मतलब हाउ मच यू कॉन्फिडेंट अबाउट दैट योर परफॉर्मेंस स्पेशली?
I think I'm in a good space, and every year I feel like I've gotten better only, and I just hope that I keep myself up to the mark and keep myself injury free, because मेरा काम टीम में अवेलेबल होना है, and उसके बाद की जो कहानी है वो स्टाफ संभाले.
बुरी अफगानिस्तान और कुवैत, अगर ये दोनों टीम को आप कंपेयर करोगे तो कौन सा टीम ज़्यादा टफ है, आपको क्या लग रहा है टेक्निकली?
Obviously Kuwait has, I think, better players and more experienced players, और वो एक लेवल पे खेल चुके हैं जो बहुत ही अच्छा है एशिया में, इवन ऑन वर्ल्ड स्टेज. Obviously due to the complications in the past with their national team, they were below in rankings, but that's not the fair value of the team, face value, and I definitely think they are a much better side and very strong side. And if we allow them a chance to play, obviously they'll hurt teams.
Gurpreet, any special planning cooking in the dressing room because it is the farewell match of captain?
No, sir. I mean, everything is pretty normal, and keep it normal, because anything else that you're trying to do which is not normal will maybe distract people or abhi ka focus. I'm sure Sunil Bhai has the same philosophy that we keep it normal and make sure we prepare in the best manner possible, like always.
Any
Nothing
special
mental
moment
change.
that you will remember on or off the field with Sunil?
Hopefully him scoring the winning goal against Kuwait.
That will be a
That
special moment.
we will remember always.
Nothing has happened before.
I just want the future to be brighter.
ना आप शेयर करना चाहते हैं ऐसा कोई सुनील के साथ मेमोरेबल
आपका अपना कोई मोमेंट?
So many, I can't remember one because इतने सारे हो चुके हैं मेरे साथ. But I would say definitely my national team debut, having him in front of me, and BFC debut, and उनको बहुत सारे गोल मारते हुए, and I would say उनकी एक हैट्रिक जो उन्होंने मारी थी इंटरकॉन्टिनेंटल में, that was very special, and the winning goal against Kyrgyzstan was a very special moment.
गुरप्रीत, आप तो ईस्ट बंगाल में बहुत साल खेले हैं, जो वर्दी रंगों में मैच है वहाँ पे, तो मतलब बहुत आसान, मतलब एडवांटेज क्या है आपके लिए? ऑडियंस भी सेम रहेगा, कलकत्ता का ऑडियंस है, इसके बारे में आपका क्या ख्याल है?
It's a home ground for us, not only for me but majority of the players जो यहाँ पे सबने यहाँ पे मैचेस खेले हैं, काफ़ी मैचेस खेले हैं और पब्लिक के साथ में खेले, तो there is not a single प्लेयर की मतलब उसके लिए ज़्यादा इजी है, ज़्यादा मुश्किल है. I think we are all on the same page and we just want to enjoy this game and get the result.
Haji, after 6, there will be huge responsibility for the others who will take place. Sunil Chhetri, what do you think? Because you are one of the most senior colleagues in this team.
अगर मैं गोल स्कोरर होता तो मैं ले लेता रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, but that's the onus on the players that are coming up to take the mantle. Of course, मेरे ओपिनियन में, मेरे पर्सनल ओपिनियन में what Sunil Bhai has done, it's something which is impossible to replicate in the coming years, but all we have to do, and ये हमने एक्सपीरियंस भी किया पिछले कुछ सालों में without playing without Sunil Bhai, and it's not that we've done really bad. We need to manage things without him because eventually ये होना ही था, and we have to learn how to cope without a captain, and new players need to show up and help the team forward and take the nation forward.
Has he shared any tips, leadership tips for you to take the
वो
baton
बोले
forward?
जो मैं करता हूँ वही करो, क्योंकि that's the best thing that you can follow, learn from the elder ones, and what he has done for the national team in the last, मैं तो बोलूँगा last 13-14 years because I have been there, but जो last 19 years में उन्होंने किया है इंडिया के लिए, it's an example in itself. Like Ronaldo in his recent interview said कि मैंने आपको मैप दे दिया, if you can follow you can follow. That's what Sunil Bhai has done. He's given us the blueprint, the map, that if you follow you become not Sunil Chhetri but close enough to his greatness.
Thank you.
Okay,
Just will take one photo for thumbnail.
माइक ले जाओ.